Let's make kimchi. First, chop the cabbage into quarters, then slice them into 4 wide strips that would look like this. Then toss the cabbage with salt, cover with warm water, and let it sit for at least 8 hours. I usually get this step done before going to bed to make the kimchi the next day. Rise and shine! It's the day after, and we're going to thoroughly rinse the cabbage with water and let it drain. As you can see, the cabbage looks softer and almost bendable. Then let's make the rice glue by mixing 2 tablespoons of flour and 1 cup of water. Bring this to a boil in a low heat for 10 minutes. Make sure to stir them so it doesn't get doughy. Once it's done, set aside. Now, we're going to make the kimchi paste by mixing 2 cups of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of carrot, 1 cup of radish, 4 medium green onions chopped, and the rice glue that we just made. And now we're going to mix it all up. Since the paste is a little bit drier side, I'm going to add a little bit more water here. And once it's done, the texture would look similar like this. Now, this is my favorite step, but first, to protect your fingers from getting stained, I highly recommend getting kitchen gloves like this from a dollar store. We're going to evenly coat the cabbage with the kimchi paste, 1 layer at a time. Almost like you're bathing the kimchi with the kimchi paste. Throughout this process, some might say, like I do a little different way, or I wouldn't put that ingredient in my kimchi. But honestly, even with a couple of Asian grocery stores nearby, making that standardized, authentic kimchi can be quite the challenge. So, more often than not, I find myself crafting my own version with a couple of substitutions here and there using the local ingredients nearby. And you know what? That's actually the beauty of kimchi. Kimchi is such a versatile dish that you can literally make anything into kimchi, starting from cucumber, radish, mustard leaf, eggplant, tomato, green onion, pumpkin, tangerine, oysters, squid, and the list goes on. Also, every city adds its own twist, even within Korea, so there's actually no right or wrong way to enjoy kimchi. Subscribe and comment below if you'd like to see more of these Korean recipes. Now, back to the process. Pack the kimchi into a container and let it ferment for a day at a room temperature, then store in the fridge. And ta-da! Let's do a little taste test. It was a little spicier than usual, but I really liked it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.